working on an open source project was really important for us, because it also meant we could collaborate openly with many top developers, architects from other organizations, and collaborate with them on our problems, with very smart people from all these companies like IBM, Borlon, and Red Hat now, and so on. Well, so many great people working for this company, and you learn a lot, and the team learned a lot, and that made us grow.
Like for us to summarize, it's a little bit like you have an open core, which is very powerful, and you can do a lot with that. And then the question just comes, okay, now I want to do more. And what's that more? It's something like very specific for you that doesn't exist. So please help me with this. Or I have a very, very big project. I only need the open source part, but just to get it up and running even more quickly, or to get all the stones in position right from the start, please help me a little bit with that. Or you want something further additional functionality, and it already exists, and that part is premium.
As a small company like Obeo, but really involved in open source and really committed to open source, it's quite exciting to see and participate in software vendors like Siemens PLM to integrate in their own product strategy and open source solution like Capella. So I think it's a pretty good sign.
Open source in general obviously can be really interesting, or is there quite interesting, and there the questions are always something like, well, especially for a bigger organization, if it's open source, they know they always have like this fallback strategy, so to say. They don't have, like Cedric just said, have to 100% necessarily rely on that this company is there, because they essentially can also use big parts of it or all of it, what they are already doing, just themselves, also without that company. But still, they have the assurance from the Eclipse side, so to say, that everything is in order, and to make everything, or to realize everything in the best way, they obviously have the contact to the people that know it best, which is in our case us, in Cedric's case, it's them, and can work together with them.